Right, hello guys, I'm going to show you my new stuff here. A roshni sounder, an Apollo Series 65 smoke detector, and a vector platform sounder base. The Series 65 and the sounder base came together, and the roshni came separate. I'll be showing you in separate videos a test of each of them. The Series 65 is 9 to 33 volts DC. This comes with a diode base. Let me see if the camera will focus. Just give me a moment. Okay, no, I don't think it will focus. You can see there it says Series 65. Okay. See right there, optical smoke detector. The roshni is completely weatherproof, as you can see by the black ring around it there. Inside, volume control and tone dip switches, and positive and negative terminals. Vector platform, speakers there, positive and negative terminals, volume control, tone selects. So thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next videos.